team 5826. A team of innovators, engineers, programmers, designers, teachers. Many of our members come directly from our middle school.
I did robot school over the summer as a middle schooler, and it was a really interesting experience. I learned a lot about coding, jump around, learn about the inner workings of robotics a little more.
So in middle school, I was able to be in some very amazing programs, one of which was Girls Who Code, which was an all-girls coding class. Along with that, I was able to be a part of Beck's Robotics, which is almost like a Lego league. And then from there, Dr. Walter was like, hey, do you want to come join the high school team? And so then when I was in 8th grade, I had the amazing opportunity of being able to work with the high school team for robotics.
Well, I started out in 8th grade doing machines moving badly. I loved it. And that summer, going into my freshman year, they had robot school, and I jumped right on it. Loved it, and I'm still here.
And now, we want to continue sharing these opportunities with the next generation. From one generation to the next, we've been working together for 9 years, building community for as long as we've been building robots. Last year, we were district finalists, and this year, we're ready to take on more. One robot, one team, and one dream. Avis Automata.